Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a swatch video for our line of liquid lipsticks called Splash, and I'm so excited to do this, but I was actually really nervous to film this because I think I have a little bit of PTSD from the swatch video I did with our stiff upper lip stains, because those were so hard to get off, and these actually were pretty tough to get off too, but I just kind of powered through it because I think it's really important for you to see it on a real person versus kind of just like a little picture of a color swatch on the website. So we have 16 colors in our core lineup. We have one limited edition color right now, and that is in celebration of our 6th anniversary. It's a promotional color. I love these liquid lipsticks because they're so comfortable to wear. They're not drying on my lips. If you've been watching me for a while, you guys know I have really dry, cracky, peely lips, and if I'm wearing a lip product that's drying, by the end of the day, I'll have this weird crusty thing on like my inner lip, and I can literally peel a layer of my skin off. It's so disgusting. And I hate telling you guys that, but I tell you guys that because these don't do that for me. They are infused with vitamin C and E, so they are moisturizing on the lips. They are very pigmented. The color is very opaque, so I am not using any lip liner in this video, especially with the dark colors. I filmed them from lightest to darkest, or I thought I filmed them from lightest to darkest, so I might like shuffle when I edit this together, but these are awesome. Oh, and another thing that I love about these lipsticks is the applicator. It's not your normal doe foot applicator. It does have like a pointier end. I'll probably do a close-up of this later. It has a pointier end. Let me wipe some of this color off. Once again, it has a pointier end. And it does have a little curve to the applicator, and that's so you can apply it and the applicator actually fits the contour of your lips. So it's really easy to apply. I like that the tip is pointed because you can get really precise with your application, and when you're filling in, that curved applicator comes in handy. It's so easy to apply, so comfortable. I love these. They're formulated without any alcohol, parabens, fragrance, or oil. So if you're concerned about that, that's the deal on that. I do recommend that you exfoliate your lips for any lip product that you're gonna put on your lips, any color lip product. And that can be traditional lipsticks, liquid lipsticks like these, our crushed lip powder, or lip stains, because if you have any dryness on your lip, especially with the lip stain or these liquid lipsticks, those dry patches on your lips will just suck that color in and it'll just look weird and gross. So I always recommend exfoliating your lips nightly. We have a great exfoliator, and we also have a lip brush. And I didn't really use the lip brush for the darker colors just because I liked the applicator that comes with the lipstick, but we do have a great, wait, where'd it go? We do have a great brush that is like the, I don't even know what you call this. What is this? We do have a lip brush if you do prefer using that to apply your liquid lipsticks. And one other tip that I have that I found works great with these liquid lipsticks is to use our eye primer, and that seems kind of weird. However, I find that our eye primer is one of those eye primers, it's a little tacky when you apply it, but when you apply any color product over it, it just grabs the product and it just helps it stay put all day. I love this eye primer and liquid lipstick combo. I used it for the first, I believe it was like from like the 2nd to the 4th color, and then I realized that was dumb because then I was like wiping my lips off with a shine cloth, and it was just so difficult to get off. I kind of gave up after that. So, but I do recommend if you're gonna wear one color for the whole day, eye primer works wonders, just keeping the product on extra long. So If you are interested in seeing these 17 colors, let's go.
Hey, pretty.
Hello. Hey you guys, that's it for the swatches. I hope you found that helpful. I am so glad that's over with. Now I remember why I haven't done that in a few years, because it gets a little painful, but I think it's really important for you to see the colors on an actual person versus seeing just a little color swatch on the website. These retail for $27 each US, or a set of 3 for $73. If you have any questions or helpful tips of your own, please leave them down in the comments. If you want to send me a message on any of my social media, that'll be down in the description box below. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.